Welcome to the Plant Protection Expert channel. Today is December 20th, 2023, and the weather is starting to get cold. In this video, we will talk about barley cultivation. Let's not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's move on to our video without wasting time. I wish you a good time in advance. Barley is an annual long day plant, but it can also suit different day lengths. Barley is one of the most tillable grains. Normally, it produces 5-8 siblings. Ears are on average 8-15 cm long and have 2, 4, and 6 rows. Its value as feed is 95% of that of corn. Barley is the most cultivated crop among cool climate grains after wheat. Barley grows well in places that are neither too cold nor too hot, and where relative humidity is high. Places whose temperature does not fall below 0 oC and does not rise above 18-20 oC, and whose relative humidity is 70-80, are very suitable for barley. The most suitable soils for barley are soils that are rich in organic matter, national, well ventilated, and moist, and have a neutral reaction pH 5-8. Barley is generally like wheat in fertilization. In dry conditions, 5-6 kg or Da-N, 7-9 kg or Da-P2O5, and in irrigated conditions, 12-14 kg or Da-N, 10-12 kg or Da-P2O5. Equivalent nitrogen and phosphorus fertilizers should be applied. All of the phosphorus fertilizer should be applied to the belt with the seeder during planting. Half of the nitrogenous fertilizer should be sprinkled on the soil surface at the beginning of tillering and half at the beginning of tillering. The most suitable soils for barley production are: these are soils that are rich in organic matter, national, well ventilated, and moist, and have a pH value of 7. Factors affecting the amount of barley seeds to be sown in the field in barley planting: sowing time, quality of the seed, suitability of the seedbed, barley type, strength of the soil, climate, planting method, and correct fertilization at the right time. If sowing is done with the seeder, seed savin. Under normal conditions, 20-22 kilograms of barley seeds are planted per decare. However, since the weather is hot in our region, barley tillering is not sufficient. As a result, we planted 26 kilograms of barley per decare. The barley we checked has now been 27 days since planting. Barley is about to enter the tillering period on the 27th day. Since the weather is hot, we will apply zinc, phosphorus, boron, seaweed, and amino acid spraying as foliar feeding in order to encourage barley to tiller. While zinc will encourage cell division in the plant, phosphorus will help root development. Amino acid and seaweed will work to chelate both elements, and the plant will become resistant to stress conditions. It will also encourage the plant to tiller. After the germination of seeds, all cells of the different organs of the seedling undergo expansion and development, and then differentiation and an increase in the number of cells. In this way, the growth of the plant continues to occur. In this way, the seedlings that develop and differentiate continue in these situations and give rise to the mother plants. With the differentiation that occurs after the formation of roots, stems, and leaves in plants, the structural development and growth phase of plants ends. Barley has only 3 leaves in the seedling stage. Chemical control and plant feeding are not recommended during this period. After entering the tillering period, fertilization can be done in the last 1-2 tillering periods, but it is too early to use herbicides. It is currently in the 3rd leaf stage in our barley. The tillering period will begin on the 4th leaf. After this, we will start fertilization and plant nutrition practices. We have come to the end of this video with barley cultivation. Goodbye. Let's subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.